Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Figmotion and opening the Figma file you'll animate. First, group the objects you want animated and name layers clearly so the timeline can reference them. Next, set your frame rate. 60 frames per second is smooth for UI motion. Then create a top-level frame to hold the animation artboard. Once done, launch the Figmotion plugin from the Plugins menu. It immediately reads selected layers, so you can start adding properties without extra setup. Now you animate. Pick a layer in Figmotion and add properties, position, scale, rotation, opacity by clicking the property buttons. Move the playhead and insert a keyframe for each major pose, then jump ahead and set the next state to create motion. Make sure to change interpolation, linear for mechanical motion, eased for natural movement, and hold for instant jumps. Once multiple layers have keyframes, use Bezier handles to finesse arcs and stagger, start times to avoid robotic, simultaneous movement. Finish by previewing the animation inside Figmotion, scrubbing the timeline, and using loop playback to verify timing and easing. Once satisfied, export your animation. Choose JSON for Lottie-compatible use or capture a high-quality MP4/GIF if needed. If the export stutters or looks off, make sure invisible or off-canvas layers aren't animating, reduce nested vector complexity, or lower FPS slightly. One key troubleshooting tip. If playback stalls, simplify masks and Boolean operations first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.